Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is gonna be a Zara try on haul. I feel like I haven't done a Zara video in like forever, but I probably did one like last week. Anyways, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because it would be so amazing for you to join my little family and watch more of my videos. I hope you like the top that I'm wearing. Isn't it so much fun? Just a really cute summery top. I got it from my closet and I'll put a link in the description bar. And then if you like the earrings, I'll put a link as well. But without further ado, oh, I'm so excited. Let's get straight into the Zara haul. As you guys know, I absolutely love the color pink and I love suits. So I had to get the pink suit from Zara. I did initially get the yellow one, but I have now sold it and I got this one instead because as soon as I saw it I was like, oh my god, I need this beautiful pink color. Oh, absolutely stunning. Zara blazers, you already know, are great quality, great fit, great structure. I got this in a size, ooh, where is the tag? Extra small, and it's $89.99. And of course I got the matching trousers. These are very similar to the Zara trousers I do for all the suits. They kind of do the same style. These again were in a size extra small and they're $39.99. But just a beautiful pink block color. I'm going to shut up and just try it on for you. Okay, here is that pink suit on and it is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Only thing that I will say is it's a little bit too loose on the cleavage side for me. I'm a UK 8 in a size 32/34D, depends where I'm shopping. But it's too loose for me. I feel like I would just be escaping out. I could probably wear like a nice little vest underneath. Potentially want to be a bit risque, some nipple tassels. But I just don't feel comfortable here. But I love the material. It's got some padding on the shoulders, but it's not over the top. It just gives it a nice, good structure. Got pockets on the side, although we have to go into the stitching for the pocket, which is a bit annoying, but I love the buttons in the front. Love the black and pink. It looks gorgeous on. Good length on the arms. And the trousers, I got them in a size extra small, and I am a UK 8 in trousers. They fit like a glove on me. Like, they don't feel tight on the bum or anything. They feel amazing. Only thing I have to say, what happens people if they're size 6? I am like a 6 around the waist, but you know, I just feel like they'll be kind of a bit loose on someone who's a size 6. So Zara, you need to kind of maybe get a size extra small if you're going to be funny about your sizing. But yeah, they're really nice. Lengthwise, they're not too bad. I could actually get away with these lengthwise. I could just wear some nice boots and they'll be fine. Like, they'll just touch a little bit on the ground. But I love this suit. And don't you? Carrying on with beautiful block colours, I got this lovely little satin dress from Zara. So it's kind of got this nude kind of colour in the top, and then it goes to a yellow. And the material is kind of a contrast as well. This is super soft satin. This is a bit more harder, but I love the colour block. Really, really nice design. And then it also has slits at the bottom as well, which I love. I got this in a size extra small and it was $29.99. And here is that two-tone colored dress on, and it is beautiful. I love the neckline. I love that it's not showing off anything, but it's still a hint of sexy because it kind of like teases. But oh my gosh, look at the color of it. I love the yellow and I love the two tones as well. It's not just one bright color in your face. And then we have a slit on one side. Really, really lovely material. It does feel lovely and soft. I just love the colors. A beautiful summer dress. And it just like really like fits in your body like comfortably. Like, I feel so comfortable in this dress. Like, I just feel free to do whatever I want, which is really important. But yeah, this dress is beautiful. I'm sorry if you can see my underwear. I always wear bright coloured underwear. We do not have adjustable straps, unfortunately, but you know what, it's still a great dress, and I think loads of people can get away with this dress. I don't think you really need the adjustable straps on this one. But yeah, isn't it just stunning? Oh. Another beautiful satin dress. I got a hot pink one because you know I love the color pink. I'm going to compare the two and see which one I like more. This is just one big bold hot pink color. It's so extra, just like my personality. I like that the front kind of has that layered material, so you kind of have that effect of you're slightly showing a bit of your boobs, but not really. It's a little bit of a tease, which I really like. Nice spaghetti straps, and then they are adjustable, which we love. Where is the tag on this one? Oh, here it is. I got this in a size extra small and it was $29.99. And this one looks like it doesn't have any slits. So if you're not a slitty girl, this one may be for you. And here is that pink one on. So if you're someone who's a bit more into just one bright and bold color, this is for you. I feel like gold or silver would look so nice with this, and white as well. Maybe like a nice little white belt and like white leather heels. This would look gorgeous like that. Really, really pretty dress. It does have adjustable straps on this one. And then you kind of got a little bit of an exposing back. It reminds me of like a night dress, but like a sexy and long one. No slits, so if you're not into slits, this is definitely for you. But at the bottom, can you see, it's kind of like, it goes in, then it kind of ruffles out at the bottom. Fits really well on my curves and just really shows them off in a really nice and positive way. Let me show you the side of it. Yeah, and it feels great on. The satin is really, really gorgeous, really, really nice and soft. Yeah, I think though I prefer the yellow and peachy one to this one. This is still cute, but I like the other one more. I love black dresses. They're so easy to style and they're so much fun for someone who doesn't want to be the center of attention with bright, bold, colourful dress. And the thing that you can do with black is that you can do so much with the accessories. The gold, the silver earrings, the red heels, the red lips. Like, you can really make black bold. And you know what I mean? You can really make it fashionable and fun. Now this is a fun dress. It's got a beautiful ring here. Feels like a metal. Yeah, and then it's got cutouts on the side, so it's definitely a dress for, you know, people who are a bit, if you're body conscious, this might not be the dress for you. Some days I'm body conscious, some days I'm not. It just depends on how much I ate that day. It's got a cutout V, and I got this in a size small. It was $39.99. Great quality, super nice and thick, but I still think it's wearable in this season and spring. Summertime, ugh. Black is not the colour for the sun because it makes you feel so hot. But yeah, really, really amazing quality. And here is that black dress on. Wow, these companies are making these black dresses fun, aren't they? Really, really lovely dress. And it's not over the top. It's not too risky or sexy. So you've got a little bit of cleavage showing off, and then you've got a little snide snatch. And I love this little ring, just a little extra fun. Material quality is great, feels amazing on. Really showing off my natural curves. And yeah, feels super good and comfy on. This is nice because you can wear it in the daytime, a nice little daytime dress. And you could also wear it in the nighttime as well for like, you know, dinner or whatever you want to do in the night. Like, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous dress. I'm so in love with it. It fits amazing on. Like, I just feel all curvy. Like, where did I get these curves from? Like, you know those dresses that make you feel just really gorgeous and sexy? Like, that's the word I want to use. I feel sexy in this. Carrying on with that beautiful pink in the same exact material as that suit. So I will try it on as a look and see if it works. Beautiful top. Kind of got a diagonal look on the chest. Sleeveless on one side and then 3/4 on the other. Pulled material with a nice zip. And yeah, good quality, beautiful colour. I just love it. It looks very stylish and fun. What I like about Zara is a lot of items can be worn in the office and outside the office. And they work for both, which I think is just amazing. I got this in a size extra small and it was $29.99. Okay, so here is that beautiful pink top on. So very like chic and fun. Really love the look of it. I like that it's kind of got that one shoulder effect, that sleeveless, and then you got the 3/4, just very different and edgy. I've paired it up with the blue jeans. I think they look really nice on. I like the kind of crunched effect. The material is like, I don't know how to explain it, like it's kind of hard, but like it doesn't feel hard on your skin, and like it's nice and breathable. I went braless and I feel fine, like I don't feel like uncomfortable. I feel good, and I just think this looks amazing, and it's a cute little outfit. Pair it up with some nice sandals or some trainers, just depends on how you roll. Last but not least was some nice skinny jeans. I literally only have one pair of good jeans. I chucked or donated the rest of them away because I just wasn't in love with them. They had loads of rips and I'm just not into the rip culture anymore. And the other ones that I have are all jeggings, so I definitely need to expand on my jean collection. So I got these ones from Zara. Only thing I can say I'm not in love with is this kind of denim effect that they've done with the dye. I don't really personally like that, but I have to say the jeans are good quality, so I will give them a try. I did buy some another pair as well, so I'm going to put that in the other Zara haul and I'll compare which one I want to keep. But yeah, they look cute. They do have a little bit of a ripped effect, but it's not as bad as the ones that I used to have, well, the ones that I have now. But yeah, they look okay. I am a UK 8 in jeans, so I got these in a 36 and they were $29.99. Okay, so here are those blue jeans on from Zara, and I really like them. Though I prefer the light blue ones. Reason being, I wanted ones that were not ripped. These are not overly ripped, but I just wanted no rips at all. But these are still amazing. Great fit again. Great quality. They don't feel like jeggings. They feel like good, like sturdy jeans. Like good skinny fit. I like the ends, you know, a little tussle effect. Bit messy. One thing I don't like is that kind of, I don't know what it's called, like the watermark effect. I don't really like that. That's again why I prefer the light blue ones. But these are still really, really lovely jeans. And they fit. Oh, the fit is amazing. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do hope that you enjoyed it. I absolutely love shopping at Zara. I know you love shopping at Zara. And I just want to give you some good content. And I think I definitely picked some beautiful pieces from Zara. So let me know what you decide to pick out. And give me a thumbs up if you like my choices or you just like my personality. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can see more of you. Big hug. Bye.